Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law, so please subscribe to our channel. Oftentimes people change their names. We see it a lot in divorces where somebody will want their old name back. They don't want their married name anymore. If they have kids, they'll often keep it. But if the kids are grown, for example, or they have no children, why do they want the married name of somebody with whom the relationship didn't work? I guess it's always possible that the guy you married has a much nicer last name and you don't like your last name and you have a right to keep it. But in the divorce, if you want it changed, it's simple enough to have your judgment of divorce restore your maiden name. What if it's not a divorce? Or what if it's not a question of restoration of a married name, you want a new name? You don't like your last name at all, you don't like your married name, you don't like your maiden name, you want a different kind of name. What do? Well, in order to actually change your name, you can do that. But you must go to probate court and file a petition to change your name. In conjunction with that, they're going to want to make sure that while a person has a right to call himself Mickey Mouse if you want, they're going to make sure that you're not doing it for the purposes of fraud, for the purposes of running away from creditors, for the purposes of doing something that's unwholesome. So in order to do that, they're probably going to take your fingerprints, they're going to run you through to make sure there aren't any warrants for your arrest, and they're going to conduct a hearing. And they're going to ask you, are you trying to change your name for any fraudulent purpose? You'll say no. And they'll say, well, what's the reason why you want to change your name? You have a perfectly beautiful name. Why do you want to change it? And you can say, it's hard to spell. I was taunted as a child, always wanted to change it. I'm a writer and I need a different, pseudonym. I've decided to, accept, a shortening of my old European name. It could be a lot of valid reasons. The court will just want to make sure that you're not doing it to somehow defraud anybody else. Once it's satisfied with that, the court will say, well, your petition to change your name is granted. They'll double check the spelling because it's going to go in vital statistics, and they will enter an order of name change, and from that day forward, your name will be whatever you change it to. You'll have to go to the bank, you'll have to go to the any place that has this thing, county records, make sure that there's clear indication of what your new name is. But once you do that and notify everybody, you'll change it on your passport, all these things, you're good to go. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.